Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app and your environment. Install the official Tor browser and verify its signature when possible, because authenticity prevents tampered builds. Once done, close bandwidth-heavy apps and prefer a wired or trusted Wi-Fi to reduce interference. Then open Tor and choose Connect for a default connection. Choose Configure if you're behind a proxy, firewall, or sensor, so the browser knows how to reach the Tor network and build a safe circuit. Once Tor begins connecting, watch the bootstrapping progress so you know circuits are forming. This helps diagnose slow starts. If ordinary connections fail, make sure to add bridges. Use OBS4 or Meek, because they help bypass blocks by disguising Tor traffic. Next, adjust the security slider. Standard keeps full functionality, Safer disables risky features, and Safest removes scripts and media for maximum privacy. Make sure to balance usability versus threat. You finish by using Tor browser for both Onion and Clearnet sites while avoiding plugins, torrents, and external apps that leak data. This preserves end-to-end anonymity. If pages fail or are slow, renew the circuit, re-enter bridge settings, or inspect proxy and firewall rules because those are common blockers. Finally, test your IP and connectivity on an Onion check. If a site reveals identifying content, use new identity or restart Tor to clear session traces and rebuild a fresh circuit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.